Hello kids, welcome to another exciting episode on our channel. The internet is an amazing and super cool thing that connects people all around the world. Imagine a big spider web, but instead of spiders, it's full of computers, phones, and tablets talking to each other. This giant web is called the internet, and it helps us do many wonderful things. Let's dive in and see how the internet works and what we can do with it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's begin by exploring the uses and importance of the internet. First, think about how we talk to our friends and family who are far away. With the internet, we can see and hear them just like they are right next to us. We can make video calls and send messages, pictures, and videos. This is possible because the internet connects our devices to their devices, no matter where they are in the world. Isn't it amazing to think that we can talk to someone on the other side of the planet in just a few seconds? Now, let's talk about something that many of us love: watching cartoons and funny videos. The internet can bring our favorite shows and movies to us anytime we want. With just a click or a tap, we can watch endless episodes of our favorite cartoons or discover new videos that make us laugh. This is because the internet has a lot of information stored in it, and it can send that information to our screens whenever we ask for it. The internet is also a fantastic place to learn new things. Imagine having a big library right in your home. You can read books, play learning games, and watch videos that teach you about the world. Whether you want to learn about animals, space, or how to make your favorite snack, the internet has it all. There are many educational websites and apps that make learning fun and interactive. You can find answers to your questions, watch tutorials, and even join online classes. Learning has never been this exciting and easy. Do you love drawing or making things? The internet can help you share your art and creations with friends and family. You can take a picture of your drawing and send it to your grandparents, or you can post it online for everyone to see. This way, people can admire your work and send you messages back. It's like having an art gallery where everyone can visit and see your masterpieces. Plus, you can also see what other kids are creating and get inspired by their work. Playing games is another fun activity you can do on the internet. There are many games that you can play alone or with your friends. Some games are just for fun, while others can help you learn new skills like problem solving, creativity, and teamwork. Online games can also connect you with other players from different parts of the world, making it possible to make new friends and learn about different cultures. The internet is also a great place to find new music and videos. You can listen to your favorite songs, watch music videos, and even discover new artists. There are websites and apps where you can create your own playlists and share them with your friends. This way, you can enjoy music together and talk about your favorite songs and artists. Another cool thing about the internet is that it helps us find information quickly. If you have a question or need to know something, you can search for it online, and in seconds, you'll have the answer. This is very useful for school projects or when you are curious about something. The internet has millions of websites with information on almost any topic you can think of. Do you like watching funny videos or learning new things? There are many websites where you can watch videos on all kinds of topics. You can learn how to make slime, watch science experiments, or even see how your favorite toys are made. These videos are not only fun to watch, but also very educational You can learn new tricks, get ideas for your next project, and even follow along with tutorials to create something amazing. The internet also makes shopping easier for your parents. They can buy things online and have them delivered right to your doorstep. Whether it's groceries, clothes, or toys, online shopping saves time and makes it convenient to find what you need. Your parents can compare prices, read reviews, and choose the best products without leaving the house. However, it's important to remember that while the internet is a great tool, it should be used safely and responsibly. Always use the internet with your parents or guardians. They can help you find fun and safe things to do online and protect you from anything that might not be appropriate for kids. There are rules to follow when using the internet, like not sharing personal information and being kind to others online. One of the most exciting things about the internet is that it keeps growing and changing. New websites, apps, and technologies are being created all the time, making the internet an ever-evolving place. This means there is always something new to discover and explore. As you grow older, you'll find even more ways to use the internet for learning, playing, and connecting with others. The internet also helps us stay informed about what's happening in the world. We can read news articles, watch live events, and learn about different cultures and places. This helps us understand the world better and stay connected with important events and developments. It's like having a window to the world where you can see and learn about things happening far away. Another great thing about the internet is that it brings people together. Whether it's through social media, online forums, or virtual communities, people from all over the world can connect, share ideas, and support each other. This is especially important for people who might feel isolated or lonely. The internet helps them find friends and communities that share their interests and hobbies. So, kids, now you know a little more about the internet. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you had fun learning about the internet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time, and keep exploring the wonderful world of the internet.